Today we're going to be reviewing the Caydo electric wireless diamond painting pen. I'm going to do a very short intro because I do realize that this video is long enough, okay? But TLDR, I don't think this pen is for me. And if you want to know why I don't think that, you can see the progress as I use the pen, and then I'll come back and explain specifically why. But if you have been thinking about wanting to get this diamond painting pen, if you're tired of using the stereotypical diamond painting pen, the pink pen, the hand turn pens, whatever it is, watch this video before you splurge and buy an electric one, because it might not be for you if me and you diamond paint very similarly, which means I don't use a single placer a lot. But there's multiple reasons why I don't think this pen is for me, but I still wanted to thank Caydo for sending me this. If you haven't watched my videos before, you know that I try and give my most honest review whether something was sent to me or whether I purchased it with my own money. So I'm hoping that you can trust me as a creator. If you don't, that's totally fine, whatever. Anyways, watch this video and I'll come back and give you my final thoughts on the pen. Also, before we get into the actual video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like diamond painting and like craft content, because that's all my channel is. Should I just not diamond paint anymore? Like, what am I doing with my life? What am I doing? What is this? What is happening? Okay, so it came in a box and then it came in an envelope. All right, are you ready? Can we get a drum roll? Is there a drum somewhere? I don't know. Ooh, okay. What's going on here? What is this? Caydo wireless pen, wireless electric pen for diamond art, ergonomic design, vacuum diamond painting pen, wireless use anytime, anywhere, multiple tips for diverse needs. Then on the back we have information. You can pause it if you want to read it, but avoid placing it in high temperature and humid places. Well then, do they mean high temperature like hot places, or do they mean like, oh, I guess if it's cold, low temperature? I don't know what's in here, but we'll open that after we open up this main box. I'm kind of excited, not gonna lie, I'm kind of excited. Ooh, okay. We have some instructions. We have the pen itself. First of all, I like this case. This case is very nice. It is like, it reminds me of like a spaceship. I have no idea why. Okay. If this reminds me of something not appropriate for this channel, but so it comes with, this is the pen, okay? Here's the pen. Here is a charging cord. It's a normal USB thing to a USB. Then it looks like we have a single placer, a two placer, and a four placer. Okay, because you know, if you have watched me before, you know that I am a multi-placing queen. Okay, I'm a multi-placing person. How about that? Let's see instructions. Do we need to read the instructions? There's an air vent. Okay, I'm not going to read this because I feel like we don't need instructions. I've been diamond painting for like 5+ years now. Who needs instructions? Oh, cute. Okay, it comes with a little tester kit. A little testes. Oh, that sounds gross. Okay. So we have a little butterfly. That's pretty. Ooh, it matches my nails. And then we have some drills. So it looks like this is a four color diamond painting sticker. And they're crystal drills around. And then we have a little tray. This is, okay, first impressions, this looks very nice. I'm very impressed. So I guess, it doesn't come with a charging block, like I don't have one by me. One of those blocks that you plug into the wall or whatever, or into an extension cord. So that could be a barrier to entry. You need to find one of those. But I feel like in today's digital landscape, or in today's digital age, everyone has a charging block. So I'm going to use, is this, okay, maybe we do need, no, I refuse to, can you hear that? That's, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, is it? Wait, it doesn't feel sucky. I thought, okay, When you say vacuum diamond painting pen, I expect it to be like, you know, when you put a vacuum on someone's face and it sucks in their cheek like a cartoon. That's what I was expecting. But maybe it doesn't have a tip in it. Is this the single place? Okay, so this is the default single placing tip, but you can replace it with this bent tip if you like bent tips. Not going to get my head in the gutter, or I'm going to get my head out of the gutter, I should say. We're gonna try it. We're not gonna use this. I think this is very cute though, but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna use a real diamond painting, and I'm not gonna use round drills because I feel like I don't do a lot of rounds, so I want to see if it's going to work with square. This diamond painting is from Sam in Japan. I will have a video coming out about this if I haven't published it already. But I like working on it so far. Okay, so first off, I don't think we need to charge it. So we're not going to charge it because it's already making noises. So we'll try single placing. I'm nervous. Oh dear. Wait, nothing's happening. Oh. Okay, so let me move the camera to show you this better. So I'm holding the camera, so if it's a little bit unstable, I apologize. Please don't get sick and throw up. But I'm going to turn this on. This tip, okay, this is very hard to diamond paint through the camera screen. So, what is happening? Wait, why isn't it picking up? Okay, so here we have this drill picked up. Can you hear this? I feel like it's like white noise though, and eventually I would get used to it. And I don't know if these are made for square drills or if like they're specifically for round. It feels okay. So if you look at this closely, I'm going to stop this for a minute. This tip is very girthy, okay? It's a girthy tip. So it doesn't actually fit into the grooves, which is fine because you're not constantly putting the pen, your diamond painting pen, in the actual grooves of things, but it is a chonky baby. Like this tip is pretty chonky. So it's not really picking up some of the drills. And apparently I can't diamond paint straight, which is fine. Do you see that? It's not picking this one up. Why? Why? First of all, I don't diamond paint with a single placer like very often. Like, yes, sometimes I'll use a single placer, but for the most part, I'm using a multi-placer. So to be true to my diamond painting self, we're going to switch out the tip. I know, I could read instructions, but I'm not going to. Okay, so it's just held in there with O-rings. Oh, look. Look, it's like a little fan. This reminds me, okay, wait, what happens if, oh my God, is it going to explode? It's not that powerful of a vacuum. You can see the fan move. Do you see that? So we're going to put down a 4-placer. There's little holes in this. So this, for reference, this is a 4-placer diamond painting steel multi-placer from Diamond Art Club. So the vacuum one is fairly larger, which is fine. I don't care. But it is a chonky baby. So let's try multi-placing with this. I'm going to turn it on. Is this going to work? I would love this. Okay. So initially I got three drills on this 4-placer. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, I got four drills. And then they're not, I feel like this might be made for round drills. Oh, I got 5 that time. Oh my goodness, look at what happened, guys. What happens if I turn it off? Wait. How come when I turned it off, they didn't immediately just fall back into the tray? This is how it naturally got placed here. I feel like I need to practice with this. Yeah, like that's me putting 3 down. I don't know how I feel about this yet. And I feel bad saying that because the people at Caydo who sent me this pen are they're super nice. But I honestly don't know how I feel about this. Normally I suck at diamond painting and I'm just like, okay, well, let's just make this, the squares will line up eventually. But I feel like this isn't one of those times. So to be fair to the electric pen, we're going to do the kit that came with the pen to see if there's a difference between round and square drills. And I'm only doing multiplacing again because that's how I diamond paint. So you might diamond paint differently. Like I feel like this pen, if you're a single placer, this pen might work for you. Okay, that didn't pick up anything. It's not picking up. I don't know. Is it my tray, do you think? Okay, so this time it picked it up a little wonky, but that's fine. I'm going to put them down there. Okay, so now I fail at diamond painting. There is a drill. The wonky drill moved. So I'm going to move it. And then along this line, we can still do some multiplacing. This is how it picked it up, guys. This is literally, okay, one fell. I'm not sold on this for multiplacing, honestly. Like I'm not, like it's, oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna try and slide some drills into to make them 4. So that worked. Okay, maybe it's just a matter of like doing it at an angle or something. So since filming that last clip or 2, I have really like tried to go back to this pen and tried to give it another go with this. But honestly, I don't think this pen is for me, and I'll explain why. So first of all, I don't think this pen is for me because the tip. So whether you use the bent tip or whether you use like the default single placer tip, they're just thick. Okay, there's a reason why I like the thin clear multiplacers versus the thicker white multiplacers, because I like that they're thinner. Okay, your girl likes a thin tip. Okay, and then also because, like I mentioned multiple times throughout this video, I don't single place a lot, and I found that the multiplacers were just, I don't know what the word is, janky. They were janky to actually grab 4 drills, 2 drills at a time. It wasn't always consistent, and when I laid the drills down on my canvas, it didn't line up properly. So should you get this pen? If you don't mind using a thicker tip, or if you maybe diamond paint a lot of rounds, I just found that because I do majority of my diamond paintings are square, I did find that the pen performed well with round drills, like the one crystal drill butterfly sticker that I did do, but with the square drills, I could not get it to work. I could not get them to line up properly. I was always going back to fix them. But yeah, so if you do want to grab the pen, I'll still have the link down below. And even though I didn't really like the pen, I don't think the pen is for me. I'm very appreciative to Caydo for sending me this. Like, they seem like a lovely company. The person I talked to there was very nice. But yeah, I don't think it's for me. I know that there's another type of electric diamond painting pen on the market. I have not tried it. I've seen like video thumbnails for it, but I haven't watched them. So maybe just do your research and figure out which one is best for the way that you personally diamond paint. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, honestly. So also click that notification bell to be notified when I do upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. I don't know why, but it doesn't want to pick up all of the drills.